Okay, hey guys, today I just bought the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So today I want to do an unboxing video for this GoPro Hero 7 Black model. Okay, this I bought around 1,700 for this 1,700 ringgit Malaysia for this GoPro Hero 7 Black. So just now I already opened up the box, everything. I already installed the battery inside this GoPro device. So I'm going to unbox it again. Okay, before I start, I show you. This is distributed by Fun Sports Sendian Berhad. Okay, so now I want to unbox and let you see what inside the GoPro Hero 7 Black GoPro package. So I open it first. Actually, I just already unboxed it. I unbox it again. Okay. Open up the box. Take out the whole item. So the unbox what I get is this. See? Okay. This is a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So before that, I let you see the feature in the box. Got 4K video recording, voice record, slow motion 8 times. Touchscreen, you can underwater about 10 meter. 12 megapixel camera, GPS enable HDR. Hyper smooth means stabilization. This is live streaming. What in the box show? Okay, this is all the accessories. Later I let you have a look. Okay. And micro SD card is sold separately. You have to get it from another place. I mean, you can buy it yourself because it's not included in the package. Okay. Before that, I show you the GoPro. Say this type is Hero 7 Black is the gimbal light stabilization, hyper smooth. Okay. So I leave the pot aside. Okay, so now we focus on this GoPro camera. So I need to take out this first. What I need to do is just, okay, I read the menu behind. Okay, actually I can take out this, so take out this thing. Okay. And after that, I can just slot it out, push it to the front. I cannot. Okay. So I need to push. They have a clip here. Okay, can you see? Yeah, and I finally take it out. This is GoPro Hero 7 Black. Okay. So inside the box, I already take out the battery. This is the battery, and this is the other accessory inside the box. Come with a cable, charging cable, and as well as connect to your PC. It's using Type-C. High-speed USB connection. What else? These two. That's all. It's very simple. This for you, things stick somewhere else. This is an accessory. You can bought it. You can buy extra if you want. Okay. So this is a very simple accessory. So now we go to GoPro here. How are we going to take out this item? Do we need to unscrew this? It's not necessary. Can you see the arrow here? You can see. Okay. Okay, this you just pull it. Just pull it. Yeah, that's all. Okay. To pull it, you can release it. Just very simple. Push it out. Oh. Sorry, take out this first. This is the. It's like yeah. Just take it out. Then you can just slot it out. Slowly, careful. I must be careful because it is my new toy. Okay, I didn't skip the video. I let you all see how the process to take out this thing. Okay, that's all. So this is the housing for the GoPro camera. Okay. How you slot in back is very simple. You just follow the logo here. Okay. Then you slot in. Just slot in. Boxes. Where the battery? How you insert the battery? The battery actually located at the bottom here. Just press it. So this is the battery case. This is the GoPro battery. You see it. This is GoPro battery. This is Tajima Motor Corporation. It's made by Donggun in China. Now I slot it in. So how you slot in your SD card? The SD card slot is over here. So I not yet buy my SD card. I will buy it later. So I just simple select how to switch on the device. Before that, how we going to charge? Actually, the charging port is here. You have insert port over here. Okay. Just now, what I got from here, the USB Type-C cable. When you want to charge the battery, you just slot into here. This USB Type-C. Sorry, here. Can you see it? Then you can start charging a battery. And this is the HDMI port. So very simple. So this is the button. Just pop it. Okay. Now I try to switch on. Actually, this video is my first time using the GoPro. Yeah, just one time and start switch on already. So left 3%. I'm not yet charging the battery. No SD card. Yeah, this is just unboxing video. I not yet discover it. After I discover it, I will show how it functions. So now I have to change the language. How I going to change the language? I have no idea. Data discount rate. I discount later. Then let's switch off. Okay, just press and hold. Yeah, press and hold. Then switch off. So that's all for my video. Turn the slot. Yes, all for my video. Yeah, that's all. Unboxing the GoPro 7 Hero 7 Black. If you like my video, please subscribe my video and please give me a thumb up. If you feel my video is very bad, then you just give me a thumb down. Okay, so thanks for watching. Goodbye.